Struggling to tone those glutes and get the results you want? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, HOXWC Ankle Resistance Bands. The HOXWC ankle resistance bands caught my attention instantly, especially with their compact design and price at just $16.98. If you want an affordable way to amp up your lower body workouts, this is worth a serious look. These ankle resistance bands are a game changer for targeting your glutes, hamstrings, and quads. The adjustable cuffs provide a secure fit, ensuring they won't slip while you're working hard. With over 4,000 purchased in the past month, it's clear that people are loving these. The resistance they offer allows you to customize your workout intensity, so whether you're a beginner or more advanced, you can really push yourself. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You could perform kickbacks and hip thrusts without the need for bulky gym equipment, making this perfect for home workouts. Now, some people complained about the comfort of the cuffs during longer exercises. Here's the thing though, if you're used to training with bands, a little adjustment is totally manageable, and for the price, it's a small compromise for an effective workout. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, portable solution for building your glutes at home. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty gym equipment, but for just under $17, it's a steal. Now, if comfort is a big factor for you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sunny Health and Fitness Hyper-Extension Chair. The Sunny Health and Fitness Foldable Hyper-Extension Chair priced at $84.99. What stood out to me was its sturdy build and space-saving design, perfect for home gyms. This chair is designed specifically for targeting your lower back, hip, and glutes. The high-density foam supports your hips comfortably, allowing you to maintain focus during your workouts. With a weight limit of 250 pounds, it's durable enough for most users. The ability to fold it up for storage is a major plus, especially if you're tight on space. Here's why this matters for you. You can do more effective glute workouts without cluttering your living space. People did mention that it can feel a bit bulky when folded, which can be a hassle for some, but honestly, once it's set up, it's really stable and feels solid during use, making it worth the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine that targets multiple areas without breaking the bank. If you need something ultra portable, you might want to keep looking, but for $85, this offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious lifters. Product number 3, S-Body Hip Thrust Belt. The S-Body Hip Thrust Belt is next, priced at just $19.99, and let me tell you, this thing impressed me with its dual strap design. If you want a more stable and pain-free way to perform hip thrusts, this is worth a serious look. This belt eliminates slipping and bruising, which can be a common issue with traditional single-strap belts. It locks weights in place and distributes pressure evenly, allowing you to focus on your form rather than worrying about your gear. It's rated to handle up to 400 pounds, which is fantastic for those heavy lifting days. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Your workouts will be more efficient, letting you push heavier weights without discomfort. Now, some users reported that it may not fit all body types perfectly, but here's the thing. It adjusts to fit a wide range of waist sizes, 20 to 30 inches, so most users should find it comfortable. Just keep in mind that if you're outside that range, it may be less ideal. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your glute workout with added weight without the fuss of messy setups. Skip this if you prefer machines over accessories, but with its price, you can't go wrong adding this to your home gym. Now, if you're looking for something more stationary for your workouts, the next option may be what you need. Product number 4, LifePro Hip Thrust Machine. The LifePro Hip Thrust Machine is another great find at $159.99. What really caught my eye was its multifunctionality. It's not just a hip thrust machine. This sturdy piece of equipment allows you to sculpt and tone your glutes, hamstrings, and even work on your core. It supports up to 220 pounds, which is decent for most home gym users. And the fact that it folds up is a huge plus for anyone short on space. Here's why this matters for you. You can do various exercises like sissy squats and lunges without needing multiple machines, saving both time and space.
However, some users have mentioned it can be a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing though, once you set it up, it's stable and doesn't feel flimsy at all, which is more important during intense workouts. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile piece of equipment that can replace several machines. Skip this if you want something ultra lightweight or super portable, but for its price, it delivers great features. Now, if you're looking for something different to target your inner and outer thighs, the last product will impress you. Product number 5, ErgoLife Hip Adduction Abduction Machine. Last but not least is the ErgoLife Hip Adduction Abduction Machine, priced at $139.99. This caught my attention for its dual functionality. You can target both your inner and outer thighs. This machine features 6 resistance levels, allowing you to tailor your workouts as you progress. With over 200 units sold recently, it seems to be gaining traction for its unique capability. Here's why this matters for you. If you often find yourself stuck in the gym doing separate exercises for each thigh muscle, this machine can streamline your routine. You can tighten and lift your glutes while also working on those inner thighs, making your workouts super efficient. Some users did mention that adjusting it can be tricky at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh this initial learning curve, especially for those looking to achieve a firmer lower body. This is perfect for you if you want a compact machine that offers targeted workouts for both your glutes and thighs. Skip this if you're mainly focused just on glute workouts, but its versatility gives you great bang for your buck. So there you have it, 5 solid options for glute machines that can help you achieve that sculpted look. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Life Pro Hip Thrust Machine because it's versatile and space-saving while providing great support for multiple exercises. On the flip side, I'd avoid the S-Body hip thrust belt if you're not within the adjustable size range, as it may not be the best fit.